Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a drink called Belching Beaver's Peanut Butter Milk Stout. But before we do, and you end up liking the video, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell for more beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. So Belching Beaver Brewery, located in Oceanside, California, is best known for its innovative and fun approach to brewing. Founded in 2012, the brewery quickly gained popularity for its unique flavors, particularly their playful takes on traditional beer styles like peanut butter milk stout. So the brewing process for this beer is crafted using a blend of roasted and chocolate malts combined with lactose to give it a creamy texture. The addition of natural peanut butter flavor creates a distinctive, rich, and smooth stout that balances sweet and savory notes, providing a unique drinking experience. So the ABV and IBUs of this beer is a 5.3% with an IBU of 30, so it's not very bitter. When it comes to ratings and reviews, this beer by Belching Beaver Brewery has received rave reviews from beer enthusiasts for its smooth, creamy mouthfeel and distinctive flavor profile. So I've had a few other peanut butter, chocolate stouts. So I don't think I've ever had this one. It'll be very interesting trying it, because the other ones, if you're expecting to taste peanut butter, you're extremely disappointed. It basically just tastes like another stout, maybe a little variation, but not much. So this will be interesting. I thought the name is pretty unique. The Belching Beaver. Must have drank a lot of beer, I guess. Don't know why a beaver would be belching, but I like the city, Oceanside, California. Be kind of nice to go visit that place in a few months when winter comes. But yeah, this is another beer I got from the brewery warehouse. Bought this as a single, and they got probably the one we went to, which is in Eagan, Minnesota. Probably has about 800 different singles that you could buy. See, all kinds of them, which is nice. We should get to the looks of this and the taste. And of course the smell. Now, one thing I noticed about this beer, and I don't remember the other ones I tried, but this has lactose. There might be a few different types of sugars or sweeteners that can be added to drinks that don't get eaten up and converted into alcohol by the yeast. Lactose is one of them. There's a chemical in lactose I read it before, I can't remember the name, but yeast is unable to break that compound down, so it just stays as lactose or a sweetener, and that's why you get a sweeter beer. Now this, I could smell peanut butter. Can definitely smell it. And chocolate. And there's some type of roasted nuts or roasted grains. So this will be, I don't know what it's going to taste like if it tastes like peanut butter in a stout. But I'm going to find out. Here we go. You can definitely taste a bit of peanut butter. And it tastes pretty good. If you like stouts, you'll like it. Like most stouts, it has a stout flavor and then a little extra of a peanut butter flavor. So the lactose definitely sweetens it up. If lactose can't get burned, all it's going to do is sweeten the beer up. That's why they put it in there. Not all stouts do, but few of them do. So when you drink it, you definitely get that familiar stout flavor. And then you get a little bit of peanut butter as well. And maybe a little chocolate. So you definitely get the stout flavor. Which makes sense because it is a stout. I think it's good. And like I say, if you don't like peanut butter, I wouldn't let that deter you. You can't really taste it that much. And if you did not know there was peanut butter in it, and you tasted it blindfolded, you probably won't even know it. So trying to find, I don't know if they'll put the ingredients on this. Probably not. Don't let the dark color fool you. This beer is delightfully easy to drink, with cascading, with delightfully aromas of roasted peanuts. Yeah, they do have roasted nuts. Dark chocolate and coffee. Not the easiest to read. Definitely not the easiest to read. Obviously it says drink cold or serve cold. Let's see if we get a date on this. 5/22/24. 5/22/24. So yeah, it's pretty good. Well, I'll just say this. If you like stouts, you're probably going to like it. If you do not like stouts, don't buy it. Simple as that. It's a stout. It's not an overly strong stout. Like I said, it was 5.3, 30 IBUs. You really don't taste no bitterness to it. You taste a little bit of peanut butter, and then the stout, your normal stout flavors of chocolate and well, definitely chocolate. That's the first thing. And then you got that peanut butter flavor. And that's not that strong. In fact, it's kind of a weak flavor. Could have probably left that out. Nobody would have known. I wouldn't think. I would have never known. Not at all. Goes down easy. Although most beer goes down pretty easy if it's cold enough. If you like beer. And if you don't like beer, just drink a couple more and you might then. Everybody is a beer lover or is going to be a beer lover. You just don't know it. Beer is too good to not be in your life. So, a doctor once told me a 6-pack a day will keep the doctor away. As the doctor tells me that. So it must not be true. He was there, or I was there, one or the other. See, yeah, I'm feeling good now. Today is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day to everyone. Hope your day is going good. It's good here. The weather is awesome. The beer is cold. Can't get much better. Not much. So I think that's going to do it for me here today. I could probably go on, but it'd be worthless bullshit. Just babbling, not really talking about anything important. So it is what it is. So some of these beers, I just say this real quick. Some of these beers I did the grandfather one the other day. I think that's what it's called, cranberry beer. That was hard to drink down. But this is really easy. If you're expecting a stout flavor, you're going to get that with something extra. It's a little bit of the peanut butter and then a little bitterness. That makes you wonder, is that the peanut butter? But it's good. If you never had it and you like stouts, I highly recommend it. It's pretty good. If you don't like stouts, don't try it. You're not going to like it. Just the way it is. It's a stout. It's a stout with a little bit extra. It's not a peanut butter with a little bit of stout. It is a stout. So that's just the way it is. So I want to thank you for joining me today. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Peace.